Let's make the Holiday Kraken from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where it's focused on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Holiday Kraken from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I don't know why this drink is called the Holiday Kraken. End of story. I mean, I don't have anything else to say about it except Kraken Rum does have another drink called Kraken Apple Cider, which is almost exactly the same as this. Why do they have two drinks that are almost exactly the same? They're not exactly the same though, so I will do a separate video on the Kraken Apple Cider. Link will be down below once that's done so that you can compare them for yourself. A note on the recipe. Kraken Rum specifies a pint for this drink. Pints aren't particularly festive to me, but that's what they specify, so that's what I'm going to use. Also note that they use parts in this recipe and not real units. They have 1 part Kraken Rum, 1/4 part cinnamon syrup, and 1/4 part lemon juice. How big is a part? If I assume a part is an ounce, I'm going to get 1.5 ounces of liquid in the bottom of this. Even if they'll fill it up with ice, that's a lot of ice and not a lot of liquid, even when I top it off with the hard apple cider. I wish they'd use real units, especially since the picture they show on the website is not a pint. It is a Nick and Nora. In which case, 1.5 ounces of fluid topped off by hard apple cider kind of makes sense. Pint does not make sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that parts are 3. So a part is 3 ounces. So 1 part Kraken Rum is going to be 3 ounces of Kraken Rum, and so on. I'll show you what I mean when we get to the recipe. A note on the rum. If you're going to make Kraken Rum's Holiday Kraken, then you kind of have to use their Kraken Black Spiced Rum. You can make this drink with another rum if you so choose, but then you're not making the Holiday Kraken. To make this drink, we are going to start with the rum. I'm going to do 1 part Kraken Black Spiced Rum, which to me is going to be 3 ounces. 3 ounces is 120 milliliters. One-quarter part of cinnamon syrup, and I do make my own cinnamon syrup. Recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below. So 1/4 part, which is going to times 3, is 3/4 ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. And then lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, which is 3 parts, because it's 1/4 part for the recipe, which is 22.5 milliliters. Fill my glass with ice. I hope I got enough ice. That's not enough ice. I'll be right back. More ice gotten. And that'll do. Now I got too much ice. Oops. Now I'm going to top it with a hard apple cider. Yeah? A hard dry cider. And that kind of worked out. Not a lot of cider, but who wants a lot of cider? Garnish. Garnish is a lemon wheel with cloves. And I did this off camera because it was a pain in the patootie. If you want to go through this, feel free to go through it. I don't know why you would. And a straw. And there you have it. The Holiday Kraken, not in a Nick and Nora. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. For the love of all that is holy, what does a part mean? Why does Kraken Rum keep using parts instead of real units? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through any of the social media links down below. I'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, do whatever you do on those things. Finally, if you made it this far and you put up with me talking about parts for the umpteenth time, give me a like. Turn on subscriptions if you enjoy what I do, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Until next time, cheers.